Hey everybody, Zach here from Absolutely Disney, and today I'm going to be sharing my top 5 rides at Walt Disney World. If you haven't already, make sure to check out part 1 of this video where I did 10 through 6. Alright, let's get into it. At number 5, I have Smugglers Run, the most interactive and engaging ride at Disney World. No matter what role you're given, Disney has assured that you will have a good time. The queue for this ride actually got me emotional the first time I went through it. I love the addition of Hondo and Naka from the Clone Wars and Rebels shows, and the accuracy of the Millennium Falcon room is something to behold for a Star Wars superfan like myself. The actual ride is thrilling and accurate to Star Wars canon, which is awesome, and there's even multiple Easter eggs throughout the ride and queue. It's a Star Wars fan's dream to pilot the Millennium Falcon, and Disney definitely killed it with this one. At number 4 is Space Mountain. Space Mountain is such an amazing experience at the Magic Kingdom. My first trip to Disney, I was never really into roller coasters, but I made my dad ride Space Mountain with me over and over again. The theming is great, and it actually makes you feel like you're launching into space on a rocket. Not being able to see where you're going is what makes this ride though. It's so thrilling and fun, and there's not much more to ask for in a roller coaster. At number 3 is Flight of Passage, and wow, what a ride this is. Similar to all of Pandora and Animal Kingdom, the theming of Flight of Passage's queue is out of this world. It's incredibly accurate to the actual lab in the film. This ride is the absolute pinnacle of immersion. You just forget you're in a theme park in Orlando, Florida, and you feel like you're actually on the back of an Ikran on another planet. The way the Ikran inhales and exhales between your legs, feeling the mist running off the waves hit your face as you fly past them, it's an incredible experience for anybody, even if you haven't seen the film or don't even like the film. Just like Star Wars fans and Avatar fans' dream is to fly on the back of an Ikran through the Hallelujah Mountains. And just like Smugglers Run, Flight of Passage hits the nail on the head. At number 2, we have a classic, Splash Mountain. There's not much to say about it, except that it's my favorite ride at the Magic Kingdom. The story is great and the ride is just fun. Theming is great per usual and the soundtrack is super catchy and iconic. It is a water ride and you will get wet, but even on the 49-foot drop, it doesn't get you soaked. It still definitely reminds you that it's still a water ride, which I appreciate. Splash Mountain is an iconic ride that's fun for all ages. Really, there's not a better way to describe it, except that it just makes me happy when I ride it. Number 1. You can probably guess it, but I have the one and only Rise of the Resistance. Just like Flight of Passage is the pinnacle of immersion, Rise of the Resistance is the pinnacle of theming. The queue is literally just an ex-Rebel turn Resistance based on Batuu. The 1-to-1 scale model of Poe's X-Wing is astonishing. The 1-to-1 scale Resistance transport ship and the animatronics and projectors inside the ship are amazing. The Star Destroyer is beyond words. The holding cell is insane. And all of these things are things you see before the ride even starts. Rise of the Resistance absolutely blew my mind away the first time I rode it. I've now rode it 4 times in total, and I can say with confidence that it still hasn't lost its magic. It blows my mind to this day. It is absolutely astonishing and an incredible feat for Disney, and will have Star Wars fans from around the world flocking to Disney World and Disneyland for many years to come. I can't give this ride enough credit. Those have been my top 5 rides at Walt Disney World. Let me know what yours are, or your favorites from other parks. I'm Zach from Absolutely Disney. Thank you so much for watching and have a magical day.